In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dashboard View in Notion. Start by opening Notion and making sure you're already logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on your main workspace where you can access the dashboard or database you want to turn into a more visual view. To create a dashboard-style layout, go to an existing database and click the Add a View button at the top. If the database you want lives somewhere else in your workspace, you can also type /linked view to pull that database into the current page. This is useful when you want one page to act as a central dashboard without moving the original content. Next, choose the board view if you want a Kanban-style dashboard. This is ideal for tracking project stages, task progress, or anything that moves through a workflow. You'll usually see items arranged in columns, which makes status changes very easy to understand at a glance. If you want something more visual and card-based, choose Gallery View instead. This works well for dashboards that organize notes, pages, documents, or media in a clean, easy-to-browse format. It's especially helpful when preview images or page covers matter. After creating the view, open the three-dot menu on that view and go to Properties. Here, you can control what information appears on each card. For example, you can show or hide things like date, status, or tags. This helps keep the dashboard clean and prevents the cards from feeling cluttered. Then use the Filter option to create more focused sections in your dashboard. For example, you might filter one view to show tasks due this week and another to show only completed work. This makes the dashboard more useful because each section serves a clear purpose instead of showing everything at once. You can also open the Group settings to organize cards by a property such as assignee or priority. Grouping changes the way your information is arranged, so it's a great way to quickly spot who owns what or which tasks need attention first. Once your view is set up, you can use drag and drop to move cards between columns or positions. In a board layout, this often updates the item's status automatically, which makes day-to-day task management much faster. When you're done, the dashboard view will appear in your current workspace and be ready to use on your account. At that point, your Notion dashboard is essentially set up and working. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You successfully created and customized a dashboard view in Notion. Take a moment to refine the layout so it matches the way you work, and you'll have a much clearer, more visual system for managing projects, notes, and tasks. Congratulations and thanks for watching.